You want to generate fully edited video in seconds with AI? Then Veed AI is a very good tool. The tool provides free footage, free AI caption, dubbing, or image generator, or even AI video generator. Therefore, Veed AI is one of the most versatile AI tools. So if you decide to use your money in an AI tool to build your channel, then Veed AI will be a perfect option for you. So I suggest you to subscribe Pro version to unlock all features. In the main menu, you can see a lot of AI apps such as creating video from prompt, create highlight from longer clip, creating avatar, dubbing, or even convert slide to video. You can change your project in recent video or create a new one in Create tab. In project main menu, you can upload your own file or start with recording or start with AI.
In the Brand Kit tab, you can upload your own file, create your own thing from video, audio, images, subtitles, fonts, color.
In the Video tab, you can generate video or use the stock video from the tool. The videos meet various needs such as Natura, business, and others. In the Audio tab, you can use your text to convert to speech or upload your own audio file. Moreover, you can use stock music with various mood from ambient, chill, and more. In the Image tab, you can generate your own image with AI or upload your own video or use the tool's background and GIFs. In the Text tab, you can also fix the text font with various options for your video from simple, title, lower third, and other. In the Element tab, you can choose various elements such as stickers, shapes, and logo. Now you can change your screen ratio, background, and duration, and then click export and the clip is done. However, you cannot export the video without watermark if you use the free plan. So I suggest you again that you can pay a little money to use all feature of this tool. And that is the end of the video. If you want to know more AI tools, please like, subscribe, and share the video.